The goal with our hydraulic brake pedal system was to be able to replicate any type of race car there was. And this meant we needed to go all the way from the bottom of the end of the scale, which even included street cars, which have long and squishy pedals. As you move up the racing ladder, brake pedals can get much more aggressive, much shorter throw, to the point where you can get up to some open wheel cars require up to 1,000 pounds of leg pressure, and the pedal doesn't move at all. And it feels like just a brick wall. And to be able to get everything else in between, and to be honest, to be really quickly adjustable, which meant one bolt, change out the packers, put in the bolt back in, and now you have a totally different feel of brake pedal. So the first adjustability would be the heel plate. Moves forward and backwards, and that allows you to change the pivot of where your foot pivots. Next is the whole clutch system. The clutch system, you can change where the arc begins and ends by changing the center point. You can change how much preload, how much pressure it requires to press. Different pressure plates equals different amount of power. We can change the throw with the stop, so how much distance the pedal moves. We can change the dampening with the shocks as well, so if there's a fall off or rebound from the clutch. Then you move on to the brake pedal system, which is a dual master cylinder system. This allows us to use a fully hydraulic system. This is crucial in pedal feel, and braking feel is one of those things that people always complain about in simulators, never feels right. This system solves that. This gives you the exact feel of pretty much any brake system that you can think of. We're using a fully pressurized hydraulic system with dual master cylinders, as I mentioned, that goes into a slave cylinder. We can adjust the throw of the pedal. We can adjust the distance between this pedal and the other pedals. And then for feel, we can adjust different bumpers, which give you different travel again, but also how much pressure is required and the squishiness and the rebound of that brake pedal. And those are the parts that have been missing from most simulators, as they measure either the distance traveled rather than the pressure being applied, but also the rebound of the pedal. And only using a hydraulic system can you simulate that slow rebound of a hydraulic pedal set. Next is the throttle pedal. Again, adjustable in distance, throw, preload, and dampening, and pedal position as well. We use exactly the same type of sensors that a racing team would use on their race car for telemetry in our simulators as well. So the optical encoders right here are reading the clutch and throttle, and the pressure transducer is measuring how much pressure you're applying to the brake pedal. All of those feed into a microcontroller underneath the pedal set, which then goes to the computer.